Hi there, content creators. Are you ready to supercharge your lead generation? In today's Lead Creator demo, I'm excited to share a powerful new update that lets you embed tools like TidyCal and Calendly directly into your lead magnet with Leadcreator. Imagine offering seamless client bookings right inside your lead magnets. No complicated setups, just results. Stick around as I take you through this step by step using a real life example. So let's dive in. Step number 1, we're going to set up our lead magnet. So first, let's create a lead magnet tailored for a life coach. Imagine your life coach offering a free mindset guide to attract potential clients. As you can see, I'm here on my Leadcreator app. We're here on Create. So let's go ahead and create a lead magnet. Then we're going to give it a title. Let's call it Mindset Reset Guide. Alright, then we can select a category or we can create a new one, for example, Mindset. This is very handy if you've got a lot of topics to cover. Next, we will choose a relevant lead magnet template. To keep it simple, we're going to use the 5-point listicle. Next, we're going to create a relevant prompt and give as much information as possible to help the AI come up with a stellar lead magnet customized to your specific audience. Here's just a simple prompt. Create a compelling mindset reset guide targeted to entrepreneurs with top tips on resetting their mindset for success. Make it funny and engaging. Add a quick introduction, a list of 5 mindset tips for success, and a call to action, encouraging the user to book a consultation. And then we're going to create. And we're going to allow Leadcreator to do its thing. All right, there you go. In step number 2, we will review this content because AI can make some mistakes, and as the expert on this topic, it's important that you also have a look and that you give it your own voice, your own brand voice as well. Right, you can go through this, review. Yes, tip number 1, embrace failure like a pro. And there you go, you can see there's different tips and the AI has written it in a funny way. So you can go through this and you can add some images, etc. You can also use this Ask AI button to help with further refining of your content. For example, if you want this to be longer, you can go in here, say make longer, and there it goes. So you can read through it and see if this is what you want, or you can, if you don't want this, you can discard, or you can replace that section or insert below. In a previous video, I went through this in detail. You will find this in the information section, which will appear now at the top right-hand side of your screen. Alright, after you've went through this, it's time now to embed your booking tool in this lead magnet. So you can see it says here, ready to take your mindset reset to the next level. Book a consultation with us today and let's laugh our way to success together. Right, we can come over here and press for commands, and then we go down and we find HTML code embed. Click over here, and now we have to go to TidyCal. We can come over here, embed on website. Fantastic. Here you have the code that we will use. Copy this code, go out of here, go back to Leadcreator, and paste the code over here. And then all you have to do is insert, and voila. And if you want to, you can come over here, press this for commands, go down to a heading and say, for example, book 3 call. And there you go. All right, so now your clients can book a consultation directly from your lead magnet without leaving the page. How seamless is that, right? Step number 4, we're going to optimize our lead magnet. First, we're going to configure our form, email capture. Come over here, first step, choose a template. You can do it standard, ebook style, etc. Going to keep it simple, standard. Next, we're going to give it, you can give this another name. For example, mindset guide. Yeah, you can enter your policy, or if you don't have one, it will default. Yeah. Then you can also change this label if you want to. And you can have a double opt-in to make sure you get the correct email address. Just make sure you save these changes over here. Then we're going to go to step 3, which is styles. Here you can change your button color to any other color you like. For example, the slime color. You can even change your text color to any color you like that. Next, we're going to the trigger, step 4. Here you can choose how you want to trigger the email opt-in form. You can do a blur timer where you put a timer on the blur, half page blur, or on mouse scroll. Let's do this half page one. Sure you save the changes. Next, we go to integrations. If you don't see your autoresponder on this list, you can also come over here and integrate Zapier, Pabbly, Make.com, and Webbooks. You can come over here and just enter the endpoint URL over here and save your changes. Next, you can choose any of these to optimize your lead magnet even further. You can choose a social slider, expiring URL, scarcity maker, to look something like this. And then it's important to configure your settings correctly. You can choose Leadcreator branding or not. Then the slug, you can choose one like, for instance, for example, mindset. Update this, and then you can choose your domain. You can have a custom domain, your own domain. For example, like I've got here giftonlinelaunchmaven.com. And so this will appear as gift.onlinelaunchmaven.com/mindset. This will be your URL or the link for your lead magnet. And here you can add a referral link. This will be your affiliate link. And here you can configure and upload your social sharing image and description. All right, with a viral sharing engine coming early January. Here you can complete your scripts or tracking for tracking purposes. Here you can enter your footer links, for example, disclaimer or terms and conditions and other policies, etc. and save it over here. And another nice feature that has been added recently is the page background. You can give your page a background color. Over here, shadow color. Okay, so after we've configured these settings, we can come back over here and publish this. And then we can view to see if we're happy. Okay, so here you see the Leadcreator branding. As we've mentioned earlier, you can also untick that specific button so it doesn't appear on your lead magnet. But it is very useful if you are an affiliate of this product. Right, next we will test this. Click yes, I agree to the policy and I want to read. Okay, now it will be available to read the whole full thing. So there you have it, a fully functional lead magnet with a built-in booking feature, all created in just a few steps using Leadcreator. So whether you're a life coach, business consultant, or any type of content creator, this update gives you a powerful new way to connect with your audience and turn leads into clients. Personally, I'm really excited about the future of Leadcreator, as I know the founders are working hard at making this the best tool out there. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.